Hey guys, this is Lisa with Great Ideas Design Style, coming to you with a brand new video on today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Before we get started, please comment, like, and subscribe. Please hit your notification bell button so anytime I put out a video, you will be notified. Also, give me a big thumbs up. On today, I will be sharing with you my front yard landscaping. My husband and I were creative at doing our landscaping, and it's a decorative landscaping, but low maintenance. So I hope you all are inspired by what you see on today. So before we also get started, I'd like to give you all a word of inspiration. Let go and let God. Let me say that one more time. Let go and let God. So if you're going through some hardship today, and you feel as though you're not going to make it, or you just want to throw in the towel, before you do that, let go and let God. But in order for you to let God, you must have a true relationship with Him. You can't expect to call on Him only when needed. That is not what God is for. So, let go and let God. Give Him your all. And He's already given us His all, which is His Son, Jesus Christ, who died on the cross for our sins. So let go and let God. If you learn how to honor God, He will honor you. So let's get ahead with this video. Okay, guys, this is what a stunning, hassle-free front yard landscape looks like. So as you can see here, my husband and I decided to take out our grass in certain spots and do a design using rocks. This is what is at the sidewalk area of the yard. We did like a swirl with a planter in the center, and I'll show you the reason why we did this swirl. I also have some glittered rocks in there. If you can see the glitter, you can see it better when the sun is not shining as bright. So this is why we did the swirl at the bottom. As you can see, we took some rocks and we made a waterfall design flowing all the way down past the sidewalk, and the swirl is supposed to represent the water ending up at the plant down by the sidewalk in the middle. As you can see, we have these beautiful rocks here, these boulders. We wanted sort of a desert feel. We have this plant here with these succulent plants in it, and boy, is it growing. It was very small when we first started, but it's flowing out now. So we have this pot here that's tilted a little bit, and we wanted the succulents to flow out down towards the waterfall effect. Down below here we have this beautiful succulent plant. Now it's sprouting out all type of flowers. We don't know what these flowers are, but this is the way it looks. It's just really going crazy. But we like the look of it and the effect. Now you can see here some of the glitter rocks that I have. They're actually like those Firestone rocks that you can put into your fireplace. And I wanted a little bit of glam. Came out really nice. Here, going up the stairway, we had these stairs put in to elongate our walkway. So I decided to add some diamond tile pieces, as you can see here. I know it's kind of bright. Hopefully you guys can see what everything is looking like. The landscaping lights are electric. My husband put in those landscaping lights. We did our whole entire landscape ourselves. Took out some of the grass, came up with a design, implemented it, and now you see it. A very stunning front yard landscape. We get a lot of compliments on our yard. We have people to tell us that we have the best looking yard on the block. As you come up the stairs, we have this area. In this section, we have another planter pot with succulents. Succulent plants are very easy to take care of and they grow very fast, and they make for a nice decor for your yard. We have this self-built waterfall that my husband built out of 3 pots. As you can see, there's a pot at the bottom, and these 2 are pots turned upside down against each other, and then he made his own waterfall at the top using a PVC pipe, and then adding some sprinkler system to help to. Okay, so here's the waterfall. As I was stating, there's like a sprinkler head that flows all over at the top, and then the water flows down. Very easy to DIY your own water. This is what it looks like. He also spray painted the pots to give it a beautiful design that flows with the color of our home. Above the waterfall, I added this decor piece, which matches one of the colors that is colored on our home, just to bring more decorative feel out in the front yard. The waterfall is simply beautiful. And over here next to the waterfall is a simple tree. It's taken a while growing, but it's nice. It complements this area. We didn't want to put too much in this area, just enough to bring about a simple decorative feel. Over here, we have a plant in a pot, and as you can see, there's the boulders again. And these plants, they grow fairly big as well. There's the one in the center. And we just love the low maintenance for this yard. You don't have to have a lot of trees and bushes to make your yard look beautiful. Just come up with a nice, simplified decor that brings about a nice, beautiful decor to your front yard. Here's the front door with my beautiful summer spring wreath. And there's my welcome mat. I believe I got this welcome mat from Home Depot. Here we have this beautiful, let me fix this, hold on, ceramic pot. With a beautiful rubber plant. It looks real. And I added a decal so that the pot wouldn't have to be so bare. But it makes for a great addition to this area, the front door. And as you can see here, we have this beautiful tiled wall that I always wanted. It's in the shape of an arc. When we first bought this home, this wall was blank, and I always wanted the front of our house tiled. And we have this bar here that's at the bottom of our window. This is one of our accent colors for our home. We have 3 different colors to our home, and I call it the peekaboo color. So it makes everything else pop. But as you can see, this beautiful tile wall, and the people that did the work did a wonderful job because they had to do an arch. This is our window, our living room window. So from this angle, you can see our yard. This is what it looks like going out to the street. Simply beautimous. So I hope you guys get some inspiration from what you see regarding our landscaping in our front yard. Like I said, it's beautiful, but it's low maintenance, hassle-free. But it definitely brings about a masterpiece. Brings about something that you can be happy about, and knowing that you did it yourself. I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see the wall from this way. And let me turn this way, back to the waterfall on the side of the home. And you can hear the little trickling. I love this waterfall. Custom made. Okay guys, before I go, I wanted to show a new update to the kitchen. This is some self-adhesive paneling that I ordered from Temu. I got tired of looking at the open space at the end of the center block cabinet. So I decided to buy this paneling, which is, of course, my favorite color. It's dark brown. So we put it here, and we put it behind our garbage can area. And it was really simple to do. All you have to do is measure, and then measure what you need and cut it with some scissors, and then put it on. And it really brings a nice interest to the kitchen. Gives it more decor. I like the way it came out. It's simply beautimous. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this from Temu for your cabinets, you can put it on walls, you can put it in bathrooms. It's like waterproof, like a vinyl. And here is the clear film that you pull off, and then it's self-adhesive. It comes in a roll like this. Like I say, real simple to use. So if you're interested, check it out on Temu. It's called Self-Adhesive Wall Paneler. So this is going to end my video for today. I hope everyone is having a great day. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Have a real nice day. Bye.